Hey now, loves. Welcome back to my channel, Inspirations by Lati, where you are going to get lifestyle content, family, vacation, traveling, luxury, fashion, and it's a whole vibe over here. So you know what I'm saying? That's where you need to be. Rate, comment, and subscribe. But no, for real. Anyways, this is some things that I have been doing over the last few weeks this summer, and I have just been busy, you guys, with my family, enjoying life, just getting out. I've been outside. I can't say that enough. I've been outside and just watch this video to catch a whole vibe and see some of the things that we've been doing. Maybe you can get inspired and some ideas of some things that you might want to do as well. But anyways, watch the whole video to the end. Rate, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture. Let's turn towards the water. We out here on this beautiful beach, this beautiful sand, on this beautiful day, and with some beautiful people too.
Click your heels and you'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here for it if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be saying, yeah. Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool?
Ah, tell her we are on the boat. She missed the boat ride.
So for those of you that are not aware or that don't know, we bought a boat. So that's what we're doing right now. We out on a boat, just again catching a vibe. My mom, my husband, the kids are out there. They're not on the boat with us, but they were out fishing on the dock. The beautiful houses, and you know, just catch a vibe with us for a minute. Just catch a little vibe. Y'all see Jaden, my son Jaden. I think that's one of the twins. That's Day Day in Asia, up on the deck fishing. There's the other twin. They're getting it in. And hubby and Delon trying to fix that pole. What? What are you talking about, pretty girl? Nine. Say hey, pretty girl. Hey, Nine. Zanaya. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Y'all, ain't my grandbaby so cute? This is my little chunk-monk. Zanaya. Now she ignoring me. She into that TV. Now, why he give you this? That's all I want to know is why did he give you that? Look at this. My husband gave him this, knowing he ain't finna clean nothing up. Okay, loves, on these next few clips, I did blur out the faces of some of our friends. If I did not get permission for me to put them on social media, I blurred their faces out. I want to be respectful to everybody, and not everybody want to be on social media like that. So, again, if I didn't get permission, their faces will be blurred out in these next few clips.
Yeah. On the boat. Let me drive the boat.
Every heart in the world is looking for a partner. Many fish in the sea, but there's one I'm chasing after. I'm not afraid to tell the world who I choose. Baby, it's you. Oh, can I dance for you? Hey, would that be cool?
That's what I'm talking about, man. Living life, baby. 2023. All the bigger things, 2024, baby. And you see who we got with us. Y'all see who we got with us. Hey! Demo!
This is beautiful. Absolutely pretty cool. Whoa.
It's what you want. You're the one I trust.
Driving the boat? Would you drive it? Out here on the line. It's so pretty. Me and my twin. Period. Period. Cool. What you know about us? A period.
It's what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else.
Sing all my melodies,
Some bears.
Yeah, they said they just seen a bear over on the one room we was at over there.
Don't say that.
Yeah, for real. Yesterday.
Time to go back to the car.
The blade on me.
You think that blade gone? I got my blade too. I definitely got my blade.
Talk about that.
We ain't got that. No. That'd be better. Ain't got that thugger.
That'd be better from a distance. Crazy. Let's go.
Huh? We gonna have to move closer? Look at them out there in the water. Like little kids, exactly. Like little kids.
They don't feel the cold.
And like they not cold, and like when they get out the water, they not gonna be cold. Yeah. When they get out, they're gonna be freezing. And I don't want to hear not one complaint from neither one of them. I tell you that right now. They having fun though. They enjoying themselves. So. Lumberjack.
Put it right across the hole. Something right here.
It's peaceful.
Oh man, yes.
It's nice. Real peaceful out here.
Can we do it again? Man.
Go. God bless you. Lake Michigan. In Michigan, right. Enjoying each other, just enjoying the vibe, the beach, the water, the weather, and each other's company.
Conversations, all that.
All that.
Maybe that little flash. Oh, that's
That
hard.
little man that do that flash that get us right.
That,
got
it
us
did.
together.
It did.
It got us together. It got us
did.
together. Yeah,
For
we
sure.
out here. Having a
Yeah.
beautiful time.
Hey, I got chips and sauce, everybody. Hey, what it do? What it do?
Yeah.
I got chips and
Oh
sauce.
man, I'm getting everybody in that thing.
Yeah, yeah. We up in here. Come on.
Yes.
All right.
Beautiful, beautiful. Say, look, tell them, speak now or forever hold your peace.
No, I went to Michigan State.
It don't matter where we at. Look, we out here on this beautiful beach out here. Look, she dope.
You want to go night night?
Night, look.
You want to go night night? You got no camera with that.
Yeah, I want to go there. Yeah, look at her. Look, she dope.
Who, me? Oh, yeah. Hey, you know what I'm saying?
You gotta smile at her.
Wake up.
Yeah.
She said she'd be the first one to fall asleep.
He said, hold on. He said, is that Londo back?
It's dark, but we out here up north, you know, getting it in, enjoying the weather, enjoying the beach, the sand, the water, the fire, and just enjoying each other's company, you know. So that's it, that's all.
Take me to your heart.
I belong to you.
Take me to your soul.
Playing all my melodies.
Y'all, we just got back from up north, right here in Michigan, but up north. So we went to the beach and it was so beautiful, just serene. Of course, y'all gonna see the footage of that. But just out on the beach, we had a bonfire. It was nighttime. You could see the stars. It was real dark. It was pitch black for real. But I mean, it was just nice. And we just really enjoyed our time up there. And just got it in. So, you know, we ended up getting on a boat. Some of the people that we went up there to visit, they have a boat, a big boat. And the girl was a little bit nervous for a minute. Y'all know how I am with water and boats, and I can't, it makes me nervous, which I need to get over my fear because we're going on a week cruise. But that's different from being on a huge boat. Like, those cruise ships be like a city on water. And from what I have been told, this would be my first cruise. But y'all don't mind these nails. Like, I painted them to see if I liked this color blue and never took it off or whatever. But anyways, so I just got two, whatever. Yeah, it was interesting because the water was a little choppy, a little windy. So y'all just, you know, wish me luck on this week cruise because, like I said, I'm gonna have to take me some Xanax go get me something from my doctor to calm my nerves, okay? Because, girl. But no, I'm ready to get it in. I think we're gonna enjoy it. A lot of people say you can't feel the waves. The boat is so big, but we are gonna be in the ocean. So, child, I don't know how I let them talk me going on a week cruise. And especially for our first cruise, being gone for a whole week. Yeah. A few people said it's y'all first cruise. Y'all should have just went for, you know, a couple days, whatever. But it is too late. It is what it is. Everything is bought, paid for, and yes. Come say hi. Hi. This is Dejana.
Huh?
I mean, sorry, Jondea.
Keep that in to let them know you don't know your own kid.
This is Jondea. I know who you are. When you walked in, I asked you where Dejana was at. So I know who you are. Anyways, this is Jondea. And yes, she's here from college. Tell them how school has been going.
It's okay. It's a lot of work.
Just okay?
Yeah.
More work than you expected?
Not that I expected, but that I want to do.
Well, you know, you'll be okay. You guess. So it's like more like assignments. The classes are longer than you expected, or what? Like as far as the class time? It's just the amount of assignments you get?
Yeah, because there's...
Is it overwhelming?
Not yet.
Not yet. Well, hopefully it stays that way. Hopefully it does not get to that point where you feel overwhelmed, you know? We don't want you guys feeling overwhelmed. So, but anything worth having is worth working for. Isn't that how that saying goes?
I've heard of it, so a little bit.
A little bit. Y'all, I got this janky old, for real. When I tell y'all this, period. This tripod that I have right now is so janky. Like, don't be surprised if it collapses or falls, you know. This is a tripod that I've had for years. My other one broke with my ring light on it. It broke. And I've been saying I was going to go get another one for months now, and I have not done so. So that's my own fault, but I'm going to go get one this week. I'm going to go get one this week. Watch. Hold me to that, please, because I'm going to go get one this week. But anyways, so yeah, so we went, we went up north, 3.5 or so hour drive. We went, my daughter and her boyfriend, my son-in-law, rode with us, and we met some other friends or whatever up there. Altogether, it was about 10 of us, so what's that, 5 couples? And we really had an amazing time. We had a lot of fun. We, you know, got on the boat, which was a pretty big boat. Y'all gonna see that footage, y'all, your girl, and baby, I was a little nervous. But it was fine, you know. And we went to dinner, out to eat. Was out on a beach with a bonfire and everything at night. It was so nice, pretty, beautiful, peaceful. And it was just nice. We had a lot of time, a lot of fun. And then we got up this morning, went to breakfast, and then got on the highway and came back home. But a lot of times when we go out of town or we want to do something or see something different, a lot of times we'll go out of state, and we don't really take the time to enjoy what we have here in Michigan, especially in the UP. Like when you're thinking about like camping, beaches and the lakes and the water, it's just really very beautiful and pretty. And we have a lot of you know, areas that you can go to and you feel like you are out of state or even out of the country, you know. But we really enjoyed it, had a lot of fun. And yeah, so now it is Sunday. I'm about to fold these clothes, and kind of go from there. But, and, you know, we just got to get away more. Like, it was really nice. Up north was beautiful. We have to get away more. Right, John Dale?
Yes. I didn't go.
She didn't go, but, you know. They wasn't even supposed to be home this weekend. They told us they weren't coming home this weekend. Then they called yesterday when we were getting on the highway, or we were leaving or just getting on the highway, saying that they was coming home. So, but we was only gone for a day. We was literally only up there for like 24 hours. But anyways, yeah, so it was just, yeah, it was pretty cool. But I was about to say something else and I can't remember what I was gonna say. I can't even remember. But yeah, on that water, you just have to, it was interesting. It was interesting, to say the least. When we ran into the choppy waves, it was, yeah. But yeah, so we have been busy. We have been doing a lot of traveling. And not just really traveling, just but being outside. We out here. We outside in these streets. But yeah, we just been busy. We've been on the go every weekend, doing something, going somewhere. This coming weekend, we're going to go to Detroit. The next weekend after that, we're going to Ohio, and go to Cedar Point, to the amusement park, and probably into the zoo as well. But all of us. I told y'all had to take that time off and make sure y'all didn't have anything mandatory.
We don't have anything mandatory.
I told you that. You don't remember me?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
You can stay here.
No, I want to go to Cedar Point. You got a fast pass?
No, we didn't get the fast pass yet. I don't know if we're going to get it.
Oh.
You have to ask your dad about that. I told him we don't need it.
Why not?
I don't know, because those fast passes are expensive, but we'll see. True. But yeah, we out here in these streets, you know, just getting it in, just enjoying the summer, enjoying life, you know. We're not as nearly as active, or we don't do as much like during the winter months. It gets really cold and icy and snowy, you know. But we do stuff, but nothing nearly as much as the summer. Our summers are only 3 months long, so we have to get it in and do as much as we can, girl, because before you know it, the summer is gone. Like, winter lasts and drags on, but the summer, I swear, seems like it come and go. So like I said, we got this cruise in October, and then our anniversary is next month as well. So we still trying to figure out what we're gonna do for that. We might just go to Chicago, do something simple. My husband wanted to go to New York, but I don't know. We'll see. Because my birthday and our anniversary are 3 days apart, so I don't know. We'll have to see about that. But yes, so I don't know. And the girls been on the go. They've been away at school, but every time they come home, they don't spend time with their parents. Like, what? Like, who does that? Like, how do you not spend time with your favorite people? I don't even think they miss us, for real.
I do. I just told you I did the other day.
Maybe, like, gone. They don't be calling nobody or nothing.
That
is your workload more than, like, high school, you think?
Yeah.
It is?
It's like, we never...
It's harder?
We didn't have to do... I wouldn't say harder. A lot more in detail.
Okay.
But, we didn't have to do a whole bunch of papers in high school. We
like,
only had, like, one paper.
Now y'all just got essay after essay after essay. It's for real. But, you know, such is life.
Take me to your soul.